Have you ever tried to break a bad habit but somehow ended up going back to it again? That cycle can feel frustrating, especially when you know it's holding you back. That's exactly what How to Break Bad Habits and Create Good Ones for a Better Life is designed to help you overcome. This ebook focuses on understanding how habits actually work. Many behaviors become automatic over time, which is why they're so hard to change. By becoming aware of these patterns, you can start taking control instead of reacting on autopilot. One of the key ideas inside is clarity. Before making any change, you need to know exactly what you want to improve and why. This helps you identify which habits support your goals and which ones slow you down. The guide also explains that breaking a habit isn't just about stopping something negative, it's about replacing it with something better. This shift makes the process more natural and sustainable over time. Another important aspect is consistency. Instead of trying to change everything at once, the ebook encourages small, repeatable actions that gradually build momentum and create lasting results. You'll also find practical ways to stay motivated, avoid common setbacks, and keep moving forward even when progress feels slow. This makes it a useful resource for anyone who wants to improve daily routines, increase discipline, and build a more positive lifestyle. If you're ready to stop repeating the same patterns and start creating better ones, this ebook is a great place to begin. You'll find the link in the description. Check it out and see how to break bad habits and create good ones for a better life can help you take control and move forward with clarity.